Please be seated and come to order.
That attorney forgot something she had to.
Say again.
That attorney forgot something.
Oh, okay. Okay, today is October 24th, 2012. This is the time set for trial in case 12 TR 04143. And this is Elizabeth Annette Works. Are you Miss Works?
No, sir, Your Honor. I am representing Elizabeth Works. I am Joann Spotted Bear.
Joann Spotted Bear.
Oglala Sioux Tribe.
Okay.
And we are here.
Are you the licensed Nevada attorney?
No, I'm a South Dakota. I'm a private attorney general and a law advocate for the Oglala Sioux Tribe. And we are, according to the United States Governor Mr. Obama, as sovereign independent nations, we can represent one another across the Great Turtle Island.
Would you give me some paperwork that says that, please?
Your Honor, I asked the courts to download some documents to prove that to you. They refused to allow me to use the internet service here.
Okay.
So if you want to allow me some time and maybe to reschedule this afternoon, I'll definitely get that for you.
You have anything, Mr. Wynn?
Your Honor, unless she's applied for the pro-hack vice, then I don't understand how she can come to the court today and choose to represent her client in this matter. The state's ready to go forward with this case. We have our witnesses. Unless she's a licensed Nevada attorney, the state suggests that you not allow that.
Your Honor, not only am I Oglala Lakota tribal member, but we are treaty. Treaty is supreme law of the land. It started in 1059 before Christ, which means America is named after Americo Vespucci. Under the U.S. Constitution, Article 6, Clause 2, treaties are supreme law of the land. We deserve equal justice, Your Honor.
Your Honor, as you mentioned before, if she has some case law or statute or citation, otherwise, pursuant to the United States Supreme Court decision in Nevada v. Hicks, this court has jurisdiction. They specifically said it is also well established in our precedent that this states have criminal jurisdiction over reservation Indians for crimes committed off the reservation. And that was a United States Supreme Court decision. And they also interpret the treaties and the Constitution on behalf of us.
Your
In
Honor,
addition,
Hold on.
NRS 171.010, jurisdiction of offenses committed in the state. Every person, whether an inhabitant of this state or any other state, or of a territory or district of the United States, is liable to punishment by the laws of this state for a public offense committed therein, except where it is by law cognizable exclusively in the courts of the United States. In this situation here, this court, you can hear this matter today. It has jurisdiction over this issue. This is a crime committed off the reservation in the state of Nevada. And it's addressable in this courtroom.
Your Honor,
Spotted Bear.
everything the gentleman had just mentioned is true. However, according to Elizabeth, the only rights who have to prosecute a Native American Indian is tribal, the military, and the United States Justice Court in Washington, D.C. And we feel that all charges be moved to federal court. Not local or state has no authority over federal Indians. No
We're getting a little off track here. We're trying to determine whether you can represent her, and we're already into the case. So we're a little ahead of ourselves here. Okay?
Your Honor, I apologize. Unless she has applied for pro-hack vice to be represented by local counsel or has partnered with a local Nevada attorney, then I suggest she's not in a position where she can represent Ms. Works.
Your response, Ms. Spotted Bear.
Sir, Your Honor, we have the Ruby Valley and the Ruby Valley Treaty and Oglala Lakota Treaty of 1851 and 1868. We are allowed to represent one another.
Okay, so your basic argument is treaty takes precedence over
State and local,
state
yes.
and local
Yes,
law,
Your
and that
Honor.
you have jurisdiction, or you're allowed to represent other members of your tribe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang on, I'm trying to get this straight. DA's position is that the Nevada law says if you're not a member of the Nevada bar, you cannot represent anybody in a Nevada court, basically.
Absolutely.
And that's your position?
Yes, sir. Unless of course she's applied for
The ProHack.
advice.
I understand that. Have you applied for the ProHack?
No, sir, Your Honor. Treaty supersede any codes, sections, or clauses of the United States.
Okay. Okay, at this time, I'm going to agree with the district attorney, and you can appeal this or whatever you're going to do, but I believe that I do have jurisdiction as a judge in this court, and if you cannot give me a Nevada bar number, I don't think you can represent your client in this court.
Yes, Your Honor. I will not only do that, Your Honor, but also we will press charges on the court here for neglect and denial of treaties on an
Okay.
international level, because Native American Indians are to be looked at as equal, not as wards of the court. We are not wards of the court.
Okay, that's entirely your right. Go for it.
Can Ms. Works have a new court date? May she have a new court date?
Are you going to bring an attorney, or are we going to go through this
No, we
again?
will bring an attorney.
Mr. Nguyen?
Your Honor, we are opposed to rescheduling. She's had since July 19th to secure legal representation. She knew this date was forthcoming, this trial date. Nothing about the law has changed. Nothing about what she's been cited with has changed. We're ready to go forward. We have our witness. At this point, we ask that we continue with this trial today.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, this shows a formal.
Just a second, let me talk for a minute.
Okay.
You're Miss Works, is that correct?
Elizabeth Works, yeah.
Yeah. So if I postpone this, are you going to show up with an attorney so we can get this squared away?
But I need enough time to get him here.
A licensed Nevada attorney, so we don't go through this,
Not a licensed Nevada attorney, no.
then we aren't going to gain anything if I postpone it, is that right?
We can get a licensed attorney here in Nevada and bring another one in from Ohio too. We can have 3 attorneys here. And if so, we can call an international judge if that pleases you.
We could do that.
Your Honor, if you don't mind, I believe you already made a decision regarding her representing Miss Works.
Yes.
At this point, I think our questioning should be directed towards Miss Works.
Well, to be fair, if Miss Works thought that Miss Spotted Bear could represent her.
Spotted Bear.
Pardon?
Spotted Bear.
Oh, Spotted Bear. Could represent her, and I have ruled that she can't. I think, in all fairness, I should give her enough time to get a Nevada licensed attorney so we can argue this and get it squared away one way or the other.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So at this point, I'm going to postpone it for 30 days.
Okay, thank you.
And what's the next court date, Ms. Clerk?
Let's go. 30 days. What
Yes.
time, Your Honor?
Hold on,
was your
she's
name?
going to get a court.
Joann Spotted Bear.
Spotting Bear.
But I also want you to understand, we're not going to postpone it next time. If you show up with no attorney or no licensed attorney, we're going to continue,
Okay.
okay?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
I also wanted on, everybody understood that I made a determination that this court had jurisdiction. So if you want to proceed with that, do it before the next 30 days.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Just a moment, please, while we take a look here.
This is, because you said 30 days, and today is the 24th. So that's gonna put us down in this,
Do we have anything on?
this is civil.
About here?
Okay, we'll do that on Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually it would have to be probably down here somewhere, right? Because you said 30 days,
Well, it might be a little longer.
right? So probably here, because this would be too short, so we'll do it
So we'll
here.
do it November 30th.
Mhm.
Okay, we got a court date, we got some time open, November 30th at 10 o'clock.
November 30th at 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All rise.